Nice, ajde. Ajde, Janč, ajde. Nice, ajde.
I love fighting and I love to give 100%. So I would say that the hardest speech was my favorite because it was the hardest.
Nice. Bravo.
Kako satisfying je pa to za me. To je bil moj največji fight v life.
To vidi.
To čisto ne verjamem, ampak je bil kar dober.
Lahko verjameš.
Ja.
Okej.
Si?
Ja.
Lahko podrem.
Ja.
Pobiraj, Janč.
The men, they are just not much stronger in climbing than women.
Oh my god.
The differences are very small and like much smaller than in most of sports, and for me this is also like very important beauty of climbing.
The crack speech for me was black turtles because of small crimps. There were like some really tiny crimps, and I have big fingers, so it was really tough for me.
What? Ko kle narediš?
Kje?
Ja, kle.
Ne vem.
Kako ne veš?
Jaz se že spomnim, jaz sem sam fightala. I would say that the hardest speech was more crimpy, more like high feet and like more my style. So it was like easier for me and harder for Domen.
You need to be really strong physically and aggressive and committed, but at the same time super patient and precise and be like delicate. Don't pull too hard, but just enough so if you're nervous it doesn't go together.
Oh, pa to je neverjetno. O, nočič ne moram.
Ajde, spajtaš to. Stop, ajde.
Kaj me roke stari, precižem. Oh my god. Kako se pa spukam. Ok, tega tiga pa nam ni v life izgledi stari.